Take a pan and add oil and kala zira and put the potato and sliced green chili and fry it for some time. Then add the basic masala like turmeric, salt and little bit of pepper or red chili if you like something spicy, and fry it for some time. And after you fry it, keep it aside. Then next thing, we're gonna cook the paneer. So we're gonna add salt and turmeric and little bit of red chili powder to paneer, and just will shallow fry it. Don't fry it too much, just stir it. And then we'll make a paste of ginger and chili and tomato, and we'll add basic masala like salt, turmeric and zira, and cook it for some time in a pan. And after we see the oil get separated from the masala, we're gonna add the green peas and we'll mix it. And after we get the green peas a little bit mixed up and fried, we're gonna add the matar like paneer and aloo, and yeah, it's ready.